In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut to enhance your video with a captivating color flash effect. If you're new to CapCut, or simply looking to add some flair to your video projects, you're in the right place. Follow along as we go through this simple process step by step. Let's start by getting your video clip into the right place. Open CapCut on your device. And once you're there, you'll want to load up the video you plan to work with. Insert your video clip into the timeline. This is where all your editing will happen, allowing you to get a clear view of how your final product will look. Simply drag the video clip into the timeline area, ensuring it's lined up and ready to go. With your video set in place, it's time to add some visual magic. Head over to the Effects tab, which you should find easily on your screen. Effects can really make your video stand out, and today, we're focusing on the color flash effect. In the Effects menu, use the search function located at the top to find Color Flash. It's a dynamic way to add bursts of color and energy to your footage. Enter Color Flash into the search bar and hit Enter to see it pop up on your screen. Now that you've located the color flash effect, it's time to apply it to your clip. Click on the Color Flash option, and you'll see it added to your list of effects. Drag and drop this effect directly onto your video clip in the timeline. Here's a tip. Make sure it covers the portion of the video you want it to affect. You might need to experiment a little with positioning to perfect the look. The next step involves adjusting the duration of the color flash effect. You want this effect to seamlessly integrate with your clip, so it's crucial to align its duration perfectly. Click on the edges of the color flash bar in your timeline and drag them to match the start and end points of your video clip. This ensures that the effect runs smoothly and synchronizes with the video presentation. There you have it. With just a few clicks and drags, you've added a vibrant color flash effect to your video. To see your work in action, play back the video from the start and watch the dynamic colors bring your content to life. Feel free to experiment with different effects and durations to find the combination that best fits your creative vision. And that concludes today's video tutorial on using CapCut to apply a color flash effect. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy editing!